Our lovely patient, who's 42 years old, is 1 month out from her surgery. She had a repair of an umbilical hernia as well as a full tummy tuck at the same time. And she comes in today in her 1 month follow-up, and she's very graciously agreed to share some of her thoughts and feelings about what she was thinking of doing and has this achieved her goals.
Yeah, so initially I was about maybe 260 and I wanted smart lipo for a quick fix. And then I found Dr. Clater and spoke to Debbie, and Debbie said that Dr. Clater does not do any half jobs. We would have to do a full tummy tuck as well as a hernia repair. So I went on a journey and decided to lose over 100 pounds with intermittent fasting. A year later, within coordinating with Debbie, we set up a date and I did finally have my tummy tuck and hernia repair. And I am absolutely amazed. I have my 23 to 30 something body back after 3 boys. And I'm probably most likely going to do more work. I'm thinking of my arms and maybe, pull up my butt a little bit and have my whole body nicely snatched. And Dr. Clater is the absolute best.
Well, you are very kind with your words. Many of our patients talk to their friends about what they've done. Mm-hmm. Is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
Oh, yeah. I have a girlfriend who's actually lost weight as well. And she had spoken about it previously, like a couple years ago, but was afraid. So I'm definitely going to show her the results. We're actually meeting up on Friday.
Nice.
For girls' night.
Nice.
And then both my sisters, I'm going to try and see if they can do it as well. Because the one is following in my footsteps after her baby girl. She's also doing her fasting.
Fabulous.
So, yeah, definitely.
Well, you're a real pioneer.
I'm going to recruit them. I'm going to once they see me.
Well, share with us a little bit of your experience. Was this something that was pretty much as we described, or was it harder than that?
Honestly, I was chickening out the day before and the day in, but then I even had somebody hired to come home with me while I was waiting for my mom. I sent her home right away. She dropped me home and the medication helped.
Yeah.
It's painful, yes, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. And remember, I do have 3 boys. My mom helped, but, So it really wasn't as bad as you imagine it to be.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And the technique I utilizes no drains. Mm-hmm. Is that something that you found favorable?
Honestly, that was one of the reasons I chose you, because I couldn't imagine having drains for like a couple days, a whole week, whatever. So drainless is the way to go.
Well, I would certainly agree with you.
Oh, yeah.
Well, thank you so much. And I am very grateful. And our patients who are listening to this are very grateful for you sharing your story.
Oh, thank you.